Charles here, and in this video, I want to talk about how you can upgrade even if you don't have enough money. You can use your bonus ad points. It's um it's $3.66 to upgrade to so you can change your earnings. And but if you have a lot of bonus ad points, you can take 12,000 bonus ad points and upgrade to the next level. And I want to show y'all something. Um, and now for the upgraded members, you can withdraw $2 instead of 5. And you can see it says starting from today, the minimum amount to withdraw is $2 for all of our upgraded members, and the minimum withdrawal will not change for normal members. It's the same as before, $5. So if you're upgraded now, you can withdraw at $2 now. You don't have to wait till you get $5. And that's basically it for this video. I just wanted to tell y'all that, and then the news that they came out with. But I didn't pay the upgrade. I just took my bonus ad points and I upgraded that way instead of spending the $3. So that's basically it for the video. Like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.